What do you see over there? Go on. You don't. Okay. Well, now you learn to pose. What? Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Let me see. Tell me. Tell me, Emma.
Make sure it has your name on it.
Oh! I dreamed what I wanted. I dreamed what I wanted. Oh!
What is it?
Beyblade! My favorite Beyblade.
That is yours. Open it.
Tell me, buddy.
No, rip it up. Rip it. Rip the paper.
Oh,
Tell me, Emma.
cool.
Cool. Now make sure it has your name on it before you open it, okay?
I already know.
Yeah, I know that one does.
No, the ones that are blue are blue.
No, not all of them. Make sure it has your name on it.
Yummy, better.
Oh, what is it?
Oh, boy, be better. This is mine. Oh, boy, be better.
Yay, it's Cinderella.
Hold it up. Show Daddy.
Show Daddy.
Okay.
Emma.
Well, I
Hold
think
it up. Stay right there.
no way.
Hold it up.
What is it?
Hold up. Show Daddy. Let me see. Tell me.
Daddy, look at this. What is this?
I love it.